Learn how to change size, color and speed mouse cursor in Windows 11. Click on the Start button in the taskbar. Click on the Settings icon to open the Settings app. In the Settings app, select Accessibility from the left sidebar. In the Accessibility settings, click on Mouse under the Interaction section. In the Mouse settings, click on Mouse Pointer under the Related Settings section. In the mouse pointer, you can change mouse pointer style, color, and size. Pink mouse pointers are less common, but may be used in certain themes or interface designs. They typically appear as pink arrows or symbols. Custom colors, in some cases. You may have the option to customize the mouse pointer color to your preference. This allows you to choose a color that suits your visual needs or personal taste. The mouse pointer size is usually described in terms of its dimensions, such as pixels or a percentage of the screen size. For example, a mouse pointer size of 16 by 16 pixels means that the pointer is 16 pixels wide and 16 pixels tall. The exact size may vary depending on the operating system setting. Pressing the primary mouse button once is known as a click. It is used to select or activate items, open applications, follow hyperlinks, confirm actions, and perform various other functions. Mouse pointer speed adjustments are particularly important for individuals with motor impairments or conditions that affect dexterity. Slower speeds can assist those who require more precise control, while faster speeds can help individuals with limited mobility cover larger areas of the screen. It's worth noting that the mouse pointer color can vary depending on the operating system, theme, or application you are using. Additionally, some accessibility features may offer options to further enhance or modify the mouse pointer color to improve visibility for individuals with visual impairment.